Hello everyone and welcome back to Denise Glam Style Living. Today I am participating in a Tablescape Tuesday open collaboration. And this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Her special guest this week is Joyful Designs. The theme is Sultry Summer Table Stylings. Please go to the ladies' channels and show them some love and support. I will link their channel and the playlist in the description box below. Welcome to my sultry summer elegant tropical tablescape. Please come in, relax, have fun, and enjoy the tour. My beautiful white tablecloth, placemats, and gold chargers was purchased from Hobby Lobby. My dinner plates came from Burlington years ago. My gold flatware and napkins was purchased from Hobby Lobby. My pink wine glasses came from Marshall's. My gold palm tree candle holders was purchased from Ross, and I placed a green candle in each candle holders, and my candles came from Hobby Lobby. My lovely pineapple candle holder was purchased from Home Goods. My green vase came from Z Gallery, and I did this gorgeous tropical arrangement, and all my florals was purchased from Hobby Lobby and Marshall's. My crown candle holders came from Hobby Lobby. And I think this tablescape turned out absolutely stunning and just perfect for the summer. Don't you agree? I hope you enjoyed my sultry summer elegant tropical tablescape and it gave you lots of inspiration. If so, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new video. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you so very much for all your love, your kindness, and support. You are so amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to share me out because I'm on the road to 3K and it helps my channel to grow. Thank you, ladies, for this awesome collaboration and all the participants. Have a blessed and wonderful evening. Bye-bye.